this is a lesson message. If you don't understand what you're talking about that's on a particular slide, or if you don't understand what someone has told you, you need to slow them down and make sure you can get a common ground. Because what you don't want to happen is you're walking in your hallways, you accidentally bump into your CEO or your CIO or your CFO, and they ask you, hey, how's your day going? Oh, it's going really well. How's that project, by the way? And you're like, oh, it's going really well. Oh, that's interesting. He said, because I heard something where the network went down for 5 hours and then you had to, and then you sitting there like, what? So I'm saying all that to say, family, building a network where you can talk with your peers or talk with even people that are above you, where you can learn from them. Take them to lunch, set up meetings, buy donuts or something simple. Just say, hey, I just want to spend an hour or 30 minutes with you. And if you don't mind, I'd like to set up maybe a weekly or bi-weekly session where you help me understand some of this technology aspect. Because again, I gave you the two separate, the different scenarios. Scenario one, where IT project managers, where I've been in, where you needed to be as good or as exceptional as the subject matter expert.